In the demanding world of construction, having the right tools isn't just a matter of convenience. It's essential for efficiency, precision, and safety. Today, we're exploring 20 Milwaukee tools, meticulously engineered to elevate your performance on the job site. From robust drills to versatile saws and high-performance grinders, we'll uncover the essential gear that empowers every construction worker to tackle challenges with confidence and achieve results that surpass expectations. The Milwaukee MX Fuel Core rig with a stand makes tough concrete coring jobs easy. This powerful cordless rig can core holes up to 14 inches wide through reinforced concrete, delivering unmatched productivity. With its high-powered brushless motor, you get the strength to push those large bits through concrete in a single pass. No more struggling with multiple passes or battery changes. Just one MX fuel battery gives you the juice to core 4 10-inch holes in reinforced concrete before needing a recharge. And Milwaukee's fast charger gets you back to 100% in just over an hour, minimizing downtime. With quick bit changes, modular design, and no cords limiting your movement, this rig maximizes job site mobility and user-friendly operation. Simply position the core, extract the plug, and move on.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
The MX Fuel Backpack Concrete Vibrator delivers unrelenting concrete consolidation power without disruptive gasoline dependence. Its instant push-button activation spins vibrator heads over 2.5-inch at an optimal 11,000 VPM, thanks to the rugged power state motor. A single charge can consolidate a remarkable 70 yards, plenty for even large pours. By eliminating emissions and loud pull starts, the MX Backpack Vib brings flexibility and safety to tight indoor jobs. Further boosting productivity, shafts reach 21 feet. A wireless remote activates from 30 feet away, and the modular harness detaches in tight spots. MX Fuel means battery-powered performance without the gasoline headaches. Next, we have the Rotary Hammer on our list. This drills concrete faster than corded models without the hassle of a cord. Its high-powered brushless motor produces industry-leading impact energy to drill over 50 feet of holes per charge. Weighing only 15 pounds, this cordless tool offers incredible productivity in a comfortable size, unlike bulky gas breakers. RedLink Plus intelligence prevents overheating or overloading, while auto-stop kickback control enhances safety if the bit binds. With advanced red lithium batteries, vibration damping, and extreme 4,600 BPM impact, the M18 Fuel lets you take on the most demanding drilling without disturbances. The performance is on par with corded models, but the flexibility of cordless sets a new standard for productivity in tight spaces or when moving across a job site. With cordless convenience and unmatched drilling speed, this hammer lets concrete crews power through more slabs per day. The Milwaukee Vibratory Screed delivers the power of gas screeds without the headaches. Its power state brushless motor screeds bar up to 16 feet at a consistent 9,000 VPM, plenty for even demanding applications. An effortless push-button ignition replaces annoying pull starts, while the variable speed trigger grants superior wet concrete control. Run times hit 2 hours per charge, nearly eliminating mid-job fueling. By ditching gas, it also works emissions-free indoors. Further enhancing flexibility, the MX fuel system can drive 2 motors off 1 bar. When finish quality and convenience matter, these screeds flow with reliable high performance all day long. Meet the Plate Compactor boosts productivity through cordless convenience without sacrificing performance. Its brushless motor delivers harder hits and faster travel speeds than gasoline models, compacting 5,000 square feet on 1 battery charge. By eliminating emissions and maintenance, The MX fuel system allows faster job completion. Push-button start enables instant compaction, while speed controls grant superior maneuverability for grading jobs. With no pull cords or extension cords, it easily moves around forms and into trenches. The interchangeable batteries offer 35 minutes of furious compaction, minimizing delays. Take on even large-scale site prep jobs with the convenience of next-level battery power. The MX Fuel Rocket Tower Light brings unmatched portability to high-power job site lighting. This cordless tower delivers an incredible 27,000 lumens from its multi-directional TrueView LED heads, more than enough to illuminate large outdoor and indoor sites. Despite its extreme brightness, the entire unit weighs under 300 pounds for easy one-person maneuvering thanks to all-terrain wheels and a motorized telescoping 10-feet mast. Setup takes just seconds with automatic outriggers for stability. Powered by MX fuel batteries, it runs 10 hours on a charge for continuous operation without the hazards and restrictions of wiring. The integrated charger means no generator is needed either. With unmatched cordless convenience and output, the MX Tower Light lets you work anywhere, at any time. Coming up next, the dual-trigger braking grinder sets a new standard for control and safety. Unlike grinders needing just a single trigger press to operate, this tool features a dual trigger that ensures two-hand operation. This prevents dangerous one-handed use that can lead to accidents when kickback occurs. Speaking of kickback, the grinder's unique auto-stop senses sudden wheel lockup and shuts the motor off within seconds. Another industry first. Its permanent side handle with 15 positions also enhances comfort and accessibility and minimized miscuing. When you need to stop quickly, the rapid stop brake technology halts wheels in under 1 second faster than corded models. Convenience features include tool tracking via the OneKey app and a 4-mode variable speed dial to match the optimum RPM for different materials. The M12 pipeline locator takes the frustration out of tracing underground lines and camera heads. An intuitive directional arrow immediately points towards targets, no more guessing which way to walk. Its dual 3D antennas then provide unparalleled precision in pinpointing the position, eliminating false peaks that waste time. The locator makes readings fast and frustration-free with its sun-viewable 4.3-inch color display. Icons clearly indicate the tool has locked onto the target sonde as you get close. Even in congested utility corridors, the enhanced sensitivity tracks lines with ease. The tough IP65 rated body stands up to outdoor site conditions, so technicians can work worry-free. Also, it's fueled by long-running M12 red lithium batteries that provide all-day operation to maximize on-site productivity. With no complex settings to interpret, the simplified locator gets cruise tracing lines faster than ever before. The Milwaukee wireless laser alignment base saves time and labor by enabling one-person leveling and alignment. Its remote control aims and fine-tunes the laser from up to 125 feet away, eliminating the need to walk back and forth to the unit. Just dial in precise 0.1 degree adjustments from a distance for faster setup over long ranges. The pivoting triple-leg base self-levels and accommodates uneven terrain, so you can transfer reference points across distant walls and over dirt for advanced site layout. It works with multiple Milwaukee lasers and standard mounts. Whereas laser alignment once required a two-person coordination ordeal, the wireless base allows a single user to place, adjust, check, tweak, and recheck points quickly and accurately from any spot on site. Milwaukee effectively cuts labor in half while providing greater precision through remote functionality. The M18 Green Interior Rotary Laser Level boosts interior job site productivity through rugged reliability and simplified operation. Designed to withstand 1.5 meter drops and extreme conditions, it avoids costly downtime from daily knocks, bumps, or dirt. The innovative remote receiver leverages amplified magnets for tool-free mounting on steel studs while enabling fast automatic alignments from up to 1,000 feet. Further enhancing convenience, the included wall mount enables swift single-dial mounting to ceilings and vertical surfaces. Menu navigation provides user-friendly, glove-friendly operation for basic horizontal and vertical alignments. By speeding setup, improving durability and amplifying magnet strength, Milwaukee removes usage barriers to help crews lay out rooms quickly. Paired with the system's modular M18 batteries for uninterrupted days and 200 solution ecosystems, the interior laser solves headaches for mechanical, electrical, and finishing trades. The Milwaukee Bolt safety helmets provide versatile protection and all-day comfort to battle tough job sites. They meet Type 2 impact standards, while integrated bolt accessories like headlamps, visors, and earmuffs provide customized defense against hazards on site. The dial-adjustable suspension and sweat-wicking liner enable a personalized, secure fit with no slipping, keeping workers focused on the task rather than tight helmets. This proper fit sustains safety by ensuring the helmet stays positioned correctly during activity and danger. Removing liners and bands for routine washing also promotes hygienic use across wearers, so hard hats maintain comfort as they rotate. With up to 6 points to integrate vital PPE accessories, Milwaukee hard hats allow instantly adapting safety gear to each phase, preventing downtime spent retrieving equipment from gang boxes and trucks. The Milwaukee heavy-duty flex work pants deliver unmatched comfort and durability. Designed for unrestricted movement, they feature a gusseted crotch and built-in stretch fabric that moves with the body right out of the box. Yet they're tough enough for the daily grind thanks to abrasion and tear-resistant materials. High wear zones feature triple stitching, while pockets and tool holders are reinforced for lasting performance. Easy access cargo pockets provide dedicated storage for must-have tools and hardware within quick reach. Purpose-built for the demands of trades professionals, the flexible design, strategic storage, and heavyweight fabrics mean these work pants will be part of your daily kit for years to come. The priority on mobility helps you push through long days in complete comfort. The Milwaukee Surveyor's safety vest boosts job site productivity through optimized storage and comfort. Designed for survey crews, its 600D abrasion-resistant fabric handles rugged outdoor conditions, while the mesh back panel enhances breathability. Storage abounds with 27 total pockets for ample gear carrying capacity. Quick access bottle holders, tablet pockets, and an internal waterproof pouch organize essentials within reach. Reinforced edges and pocket stitching withstand wear from heavy tools. Adjustable side straps enable customized 4-season fits over layered clothing. With hearing protection clips, a pass-through for safety harnesses, and an ID window, the vest is purpose-built for surveyors' needs. By optimizing gear storage and enabling all-day wear via breathable fabrics, Milwaukee's high-visibility vest allows survey crews to work safely with their tools close at hand. The M18 drain cleaning machine tackles clogs with the power of an electric model without any cords. Its enclosed high-torque motor easily spins 3 by 8 feet cables through 100 inches of 1 foot to 3 feet drain lines, chewing through grease, scale, and debris. A single battery powers multiple jobs, avoiding downtime spent finding outlets. The lightweight self-contained design transports cleanly between houses and high-rise units. An optional auto-feed attachment delivers up to 20 feet per minute of cable payout to expedite large line clearing. Combined with instant startup and a compatible cable capacity of 100 feet, the M18 empowers plumbers to drive into blockages quickly and work untethered. Milwaukee's battery technology helps maximize productivity per day while eliminating the hassles of a corded machine. Next up, the concrete vibrator delivers unrelenting power to consolidate even the stiffest pores, all without the hassle of gas engines or AC power cords. Its brushless motor spins up to a 2.5 feet head at over 11,000 VPM, while the MX fuel battery platform removes emissions, cold starts, and noise compared to gas models. By ditching cords, the MX Vib also prevents trip hazards and tangled wires across rebar jungles. The battery enables consolidating a remarkable 45 cubic yards on a single charge, plenty for even large jobs. Further boosting flexibility, shaft lengths reach 21 feet, and a wireless remote activates vibration from 30 feet away. By upgrading to cordless convenience without compromising power, the MX Vib lets crews work faster, safer, and anywhere the pour demands. The Milwaukee Cutoff Saw brings the power of gas saws without the headaches. Its high-output power-state motor slashes through concrete, rebar, and iron with the performance of a 14-feet gasser. By replacing pull starts with an instant push-button trigger, it delivers faster cutting from power-up to power-down. Runtime hits 28 feet of full concrete cuts, or 240 slices through rebar per charge. Plenty for even the toughest demolition jobs. Weighing under 15 pounds, the MX fuel system eliminates emissions, significantly reduces noise and vibration, and prevents trip hazards from AC cords on site. For added safety, Rapid Stop technology halts the blade in under 3 seconds after trigger release. Ditch the gas cans and extension cords. This cutoff saw brings 14 inches of cordless control and convenience. The QuickLock system revolutionizes outdoor power equipment through unprecedented versatility. Its interchangeable attachments enable transforming from a string trimmer to an edger to a hedge trimmer, and more in seconds using a single power head. This consolidates tools and batteries for maximum convenience. The QuickLock head delivers uncompromising cordless power via brushless performance and advanced red lithium batteries. Providing gas-equivalent power for all attachments, it tackles demanding landscaping tasks with the same effectiveness as commercial gas units without emissions. Swapping attachments takes just seconds with a simple push and twist. With over 7 tools available and counting, the possibilities are endless for configuring the ideal professional-grade outdoor power arsenal all from one power head. Also, the QuickLock system allows tackling an incredible range of applications with unmatched convenience. Here's the Max Rotary Hammer that packs the power and convenience of gas breakers without emissions or cords. Its high-performance brushless motor produces an extreme 5 foot-pound of impact energy, enabling drilling or chiseling through concrete with the efficiency of an AC tool. Yet its advanced red lithium battery enables over 20 minutes of continuous chipping on a single charge, enough runtime to tackle most residential and commercial jobs without slowing progress to swap batteries. By ditching gasoline and extension cords, the SDS Max delivers unmatched mobility to move freely around bars or interior walls. Weighing just 15 pounds, it offers incredible performance in a compact size, minimizing fatigue over long shifts. Combined with tool-free bit changes and reduced vibration, this hammer brings gas-matching productivity with next-level convenience on demanding jobs. The Milwaukee Packout modular mounting plate provides a customizable foundation for organizing tools and gear across job sites. Constructed from impact-resistant polymer and reinforced with metal brackets, each plate securely supports up to 100 pounds when floor-mounted, or 50 pounds on walls, while safeguarding contents from damage. Their compact size and durable build allow the positioning to pack out storage and accessories exactly where needed within a work area. Mounting plates facilitate quick access by affixing bins and boxes right at the point of use for trades ranging from mechanical and electrical to finish carpentry and flooring. With heavy-duty tie-down points, plates keep essential inventory locked down yet mobile. Just unfold the integrated handle to transport an entire setup to the next task or job site without unpacking. Lastly, the Rollon power supply delivers portable job site power without gasoline. Providing 7,200 watts of peak output and 3,600 continuous watts, it supplies enough pure sine wave energy to simultaneously operate multiple corded tools while charging batteries. Unlike loud emission-spewing generators, the Rollon can be used safely indoors to enable uninterrupted workflow. With integrated one-key tracking and control, users can customize power delivery, prevent theft, and manage inventory remotely. By consolidating cords into a single mobile power source, monitored through a smartphone, the Rollon alleviates trip hazards and simplifies supply transport around projects. Capable of powering an entire suite of corded tools without job site disruptions, the Rollon power supply brings unmatched versatility and safety to tool energy. Paired with Milwaukee's intelligent one-key platform, it empowers hassle-free operation via complete wireless control and monitoring. So, that's all for our video about 20 Milwaukee tools that every construction worker must have. If you enjoyed our video and found it helpful, let us know in the comment section.